The reason we're a broken record is because the more time we let go by to pile things up, the higher likelihood we are going to procrastinate.
And the pile gets higher, too.
It doesn't go away. It doesn't ever go away.
Welcome to day 16 of 366 daily business glitches. Today's January 16th, 2024. Linda Ray here created this project last year, and I'm just kind of hopping along for the ride. We often come off as a broken record. You know, broken record meaning a record that goes... Here's one of our broken record concepts. Organization. Today's glitch is about being organized in general, but specifically business documents. Linda Ray, take it away. What do you say?
The goal today is, if you haven't done so already, because according to Glitch 12, you are supposed to start organizing your financial documents.
And we know you've done that.
The actionable item for today is to download our documents checklist. This is a one-pager, and it's going to give you every document that lenders ask for. Even if you're not securing financing, it doesn't matter. To have these documents handy is going to save when you need to access them. It's going to save you so much time.
It's one page. Mind-blowing. You know why it's mind-blowing? Because I created it.
And it's free.
Pat myself on the back.
In the description below, you're going to see 2 links to podcasts that we talk about financial documents.
And it's easier than you think. That's why it's a one-page checklist. Give us some feedback on what you think of the checklist. Hit it in the comments below. While you're below, also, click on the like and subscribe. And the notifications bell, because you want to get our 366 glitches every day, all year long.
We also know that they are handy for business because we know these are mistakes not only that we've made, that other business owners have made. This is a valuable membership that you could be a part of. Click on the link in the description.
More camera or overlay?
I'm just going to do it on the camera because there's not...
Okay. And action.